What's up, traders? I hope you all had a nice day. If you have taken this gold trade, then congratulations, you have made some money out of it. So here we can see. So in my yesterday's video, I have said that we're gonna take our TP at this level, which has been hit. Here, as you can see, the market open in the gap. Target was hit. Eventually, we didn't have much time to take that trade. So, what to expect next from natural gas? So here we can see the natural gas has made a swing high engulfing red candle and has broken below the support here, which is another bearish move, I believe. So according to this, I can still see the natural gas coming this level here again, because here you can see the retest has been done. The market broken below this level. Retest has been done. This level has been respected here again, and now I'm seeing the natural gas going towards 4.946 again. And just to take another short trade, I'll wait for the market to break below this level, then we'll take another short trade. So right now we can take a trade up to 4.947. The candle closes above 5.068, then I'll be looking for a long trade. But right now my bias is short because the market is below 50 EMA and we have the swing high uh, red engulfing candle, which is another bearish sign. So I hope you get some value out of this video, and I hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.